Jo-Fen is a place that reminds me of home. The sound of Japanese silvergrass rustling is mother's gentle calling. The sound of waterfall rushing reminds me of father, a brave miner. Every time I return to this familiar place, I always have my recorder, roaming from one street to another, searching for the sound. In those old alleys, the miners have long disappeared, giving way to crowd after crowds of tourists. People wander through the alleys, so much like a parallel space and time. The sound of wooden clogs echoes Granny's footsteps. But the building reminds me of childhood days where life knows no worry. Perhaps that is also what everyone else is looking for. I remember when father came home, there would always be a cup of hot tea waiting for him. Together, my parents would have hot tea and watch the sunset turning the streets of Jo-Fen crimson. And yet, in the old streets bustling with modern sights and sounds, somehow I find the memory of home is just around the corner.